Hi everyone, welcome to Seed Basket channel. In this video I am going to show you how we can prepare organic fertilizer for garden plants using used rice water, and how to use it for plants, and its benefits. Nutrients plays an important role in growth of the plants and production of flowers and vegetables or fruits. Adding water will not give all nutrients required for plant. We should provide explicitly from other means. Watering our household vegetable or flower plants with washed rice water is very effective, and as good as using fertilizers. When we wash rice, up to half of the water-soluble vitamins and minerals to be lost from the rice. Rice water contains protein, fiber, amino acids, calcium, phosphorus, iron, zinc and potassium. With all these nutrients in washed rice water could be beneficial to our kitchen garden plants. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel.